come out on top. On BMW models with roof rails, you can mount BMW railing carriers as a base for different roof luggage systems. Clean the roof rails on your car before fitting the railing carriers. Make sure to mount the front and the rear railing carrier in the right order and correct direction. A sticker shows their correct installation position. Start by mounting the front railing carrier. Open the lid and turn the hand wheel on the support foot anti-clockwise until you feel a slight resistance. Stop here. Position the center of the support exactly on the markings of both roof rails. Also, make sure the support foot holds the full railing. Press the spring-loaded locking mechanism back to let it snap in on your side and pull down the fastening claw. Turn the hand wheel clockwise to tighten the fastening claw, but not super tight yet. On the opposite side, tighten the fastening claw by hand until a clicking noise signals that it's tight. Now turn the knob further until the right position is reached. Press the wheel in to lock it in position. Close the lid and lock it. Finish the tightening for the first fastening claw the same way. Then, repeat the whole procedure for the rear railing carrier. Remember to use the marked position on the roof rail here too. Fixing the railing carriers in the correct position is essential for traffic safety and to prevent damages to your BMW or the roof carrier system. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.